Effortlessly manage IMS in Busy with just one click. Hello, wondering what IMS is? IMS stands for Invoice Management System, which went live on the GST portal on 14th October 2024. Let's dive into its benefits. Matches all invoices with GST returns, ensuring accurate and easy management of input tax credit. Tracks all invoices, reducing fraud risks. Provides a clear summary of all invoices, so nothing is missed during filing. Carries forward pending invoices to the next return period, making adjustments seamless. IMS simplifies, speeds up, and enhances accuracy for taxpayers of all sizes in the GST process. Excited to explore this feature in Busy? Let's see how it works. In the Transactions menu, go to GST Miscellaneous Utilities. Click Download GSTRJSON data to download the file. Click Download IMS data for IMS-specific data. Remember to download IMS data monthly to sync real-time portal data with Busy. For re-downloading, simply click the saved file. You can download the data multiple times before filing GSTR 3B. In GST Miscellaneous Utilities, a new option Invoice Management System is now available. Use this to reconcile invoices and take action. Both party-wise and date-wise options are available. For now, click Date-wise to proceed. If you want to act on a specific party's invoices, select Yes and choose the party. Next, select the return period, the one for GSTR 3B filing. Busy allows you to compare IMS data with Busy data. Use the provided filters to sort entries based on action. Then click OK to proceed. The IMS report will display with the IMS status column. Actions specified here will be uploaded to the portal. The ITC status column saves this information in Busy for future reference. To take action, press F4 and select Accept, Pending, or Reject. In case of no action, the invoice is considered deemed accepted. For accepted invoices, Busy shows the status and period, similar to pending cases. For bulk actions, select all invoices, press F4, and specify the action. Once actions are finalized, click Upload IMS data to upload the actions to the portal. Finally, generate GSTR to be by clicking the respective button. Key points to remember: you can download, upload, and generate GSTR to be multiple times before filing GSTR 3B. Busy displays the last download and upload date time on the screen for easy reference. Busy makes GST management simple and stress-free. Update to the latest version today. For purchasing, updates, or renewals, contact your nearest channel partner or call us directly. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates.